Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about installing R and RStudio. R is a programming language and software environment tailored for statistical computing and graphics. On the other hand, RStudio is an integrated development environment, IDE, designed specifically for R, streamlining the process of writing and executing R code. For instance, when conducting a data analysis project, one can use R to perform statistical calculations and create visualizations, while employing RStudio to easily manage and execute the code. This seamless integration makes R and RStudio a powerful duo for data analysis tasks. To install R for your operating system, visit https:/cran.rproject.org/. Choose the correct version, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and follow the installation steps provided on the website. Typically, this involves downloading the installer, executing it, and accepting the terms of use. Once R is installed, you can utilize it by launching the R console or executing R scripts directly from the command line. This practical approach makes it easy to begin working with R for data analysis, statistical computing, and visualization projects. To install RStudio, visit the official website at https://rstudio.com product/RStudios download/download. Select the free version of RStudio Desktop and download it. Proceed with the installation process, following the instructions provided, akin to installing other software. Once successfully installed, launch RStudio to begin coding in a more intuitive interface compared to the standard R console. This streamlined environment enhances productivity and facilitates writing and executing R scripts efficiently for data analysis and visualization. To calculate the mean of a list of numbers in R, you can use the mean function. First, create a vector of numbers using the CF function, like this. Numbers like CF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then use the mean function with your vector as the argument, mean numbers. This will output the mean of the numbers, which is 3 in this example. Installing R is like buying a brand new computer for the first time. You have the core system in place, but you still need to install all the necessary software and tools to make it functional. Installing RStudio is like setting up your workspace on the computer, organizing all your files and programs in one convenient place for easy access. Just as you need both the computer and a well-organized workspace to efficiently use your computer, you need both R and RStudio to effectively work on data analysis and statistical programming projects.
Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.
When embarking on the journey of installing R and RStudio, think of it as constructing the core foundation of a new computer system. Similar to choosing the right components for your setup, the first step involves downloading and installing R from the CRAN, Comprehensive R Archive Network website. It's essential to select the version compatible with your operating system to ensure seamless functionality. Transitioning to the next phase, installing RStudio is akin to customizing and organizing your workspace with essential tools. By downloading and installing RStudio IDE, Integrated Development Environment, from the official website, you gain access to a user-friendly interface tailored for R script development and project management. Upon successful installation, launching RStudio reveals a sophisticated yet intuitive workspace equipped with a range of tabs and panels dedicated to coding, data visualization, and more. With this setup in place, you're well equipped to delve into data analysis and statistical programming endeavors. To exemplify the capabilities of R, consider the code snippet provided for a simple operation. By calculating the sum of numbers from 1 to 10 using R programming language, you get a first-hand experience of its computational prowess. Executing this code snippet not only showcases the fundamental arithmetic functionality, but also serves as a stepping stone for more complex data analysis and statistical tasks. In essence, the process of installing R and RStudio sets the stage for a seamless transition into the world of data analysis, empowering you to unlock the potential of statistical programming for various real-world applications such as financial modeling, predictive analytics, and scientific research. When it comes to real-world applications, many industries utilize R and RStudio for data analysis and statistical modeling. For example, in the finance sector, professionals use R and RStudio to analyze market trends, build predictive models, and perform risk assessments. Through these tools, financial analysts can make informed decisions and optimize investment strategies. In the healthcare industry, R and RStudio are employed for tasks such as clinical data analysis, drug discovery research, and epidemiological studies. These tools enable researchers and healthcare professionals to analyze large data sets, visualize medical trends, and develop predictive models for better patient outcomes. Both examples underscore the importance of installing R and RStudio as foundational steps before delving into complex data analysis tasks within these industries. By setting up these tools effectively, professionals across the globe can leverage the power of R for impactful decision-making and research endeavors. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.